Hello, welcome back to another episode of our Unit 3 study guide. Today we're going to be looking at problem number 2. Problem number 2 says, prove that the following triangles are similar or explain why they are not similar. Okay, so before we even jump into this problem, I have to let you know there are two ways in which we can determine whether a triangle is similar or is not similar. The first case is if if the problem does not specifically state, for example, that DE, whoops, I had one job, that DE is parallel to, let's say, BC. If the problem does not say this, then that means these triangles are not similar. In this case, the problem just says prove that the following triangles are similar or explain why they are not similar. It does not say anything about the lines of the triangles being similar. So therefore, that's a big giveaway that this triangle already is not similar. So, okay. So, not similar. Okay? Not similar. Okay? But what if they say, hey, you know what? Explain. Yes, by just us knowing that D and E is not parallel to BC, that's a dead giveaway that it's not similar. But how do I know? What is the purpose? What is the reason? Well, the reason is that the scale factor that corresponds from AE to AC does not match with the scale factor that goes from AD to AB. Let me show you what I mean. So, for example, if I go ahead take AD. So I'm going to go ahead and take AD. So that's 6 divided by, well, what is the total of A to B? Well, from A to B, so from this length here and this length here, the total would be 10 plus 6, 12 plus 6, sorry. 12 plus 6, which would be 18. So the total length of A to B is 18. So I would go ahead and take 6 divided by 8, or 18 divided by 6. Okay, I can draw my 8 a little bit better. Now, whichever one is easier for, you're going to solve for. In this case, it's easier to solve for 18 divided by 6. In that case, my scale factor would be 3. Okay, so in order for me to prove that this triangle is not similar, I would have to prove that this side is not equal to 3. If this side is not equal to 3 when I take the scale factor, that means that we have a problem here, okay? So they tell us that the entire side for AC is 20. So automatically I'm going to put my 20 divided by what? 20 divided by 15? No, that's not right, because if I were to say 20 divided by 15, that means that we're looking at this figure here. We're looking at this, whoops, and that is not a triangle, that is a trapezoid, okay? So do not draw the line I drew. That was just to show you that this is not a triangle, it's a trapezoid. However, I need to know the length of AE, okay? In order for me to find the length of AE, I have to take 20 minus 15, reminding you again, AE is equal to that length, right? AE is equal to 20 minus 15, which is equal to 5. So that means if AE is equal to 5, that means I have to take 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5, I'm going to let you type that into your calculators, or if you know it, using mental math, that is awesome as well. 20 divided by 5 should give you 4. Now, is 3 equal to 4? No, that is not true, right? So that means that these triangles so we can say triangles are not similar. Okay? So that is how we prove that the triangles are not similar, okay? Hopefully this made sense. If you would like to rewatch this video, you're more than welcome to rewatch it, so that way you can get clarified on a couple things. Or if not, I'm always in the classroom. Go ahead, ask me a question, and I'll be happy to help you out, okay? I'll see you in the next video.